Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. This altcoin right here can go insane and I'm talking about EOS. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Now is the time to enter the market, now is the time to join. Thank you so much for watching, have a fantastic day. You are going to take so many profits during the Patreon tier 1, 2, 3, whatever you choose, it is the best for you. Thank you. Let's go right now to see EOS. So EOS right here, you can see 0.935 is the target that we are having right now. What we need to do and why we are saying that EOS is very likely to go up. First of all, EOS has been underperforming. EOS seems like it has many problems right there that it won't be able to go towards the 14 USDT. Okay, just so you know, this is the first thing that you know. In the next bull run, EOS is not going to make it. It has problems with its fundamentals. It hasn't been working so well, and I do not think EOS will survive the long run. So this video is not for next 3-4 years, right? We are talking about the next few weeks. And of course, many altcoins right there sometimes achieve the bottom and they are in for a nice uptrend. What EOS did back here, for example, is that it found resistance in the previous support level. And this was the major problem for EOS as well with the price analysis, right? Look at that. Every time we had 2018 support level and then we just collapsed. This brought actually EOS further down. Okay, so what we need to do right now, why are we bullish? Let's see the price and the risk metrics. First of all, we are going to start with the RSI. Okay, the RSI right here below 30 in the RSI, look at that, we are having the below 30s. In the weekly scale, we went upwards, but at the same time, it wasn't enough. Right now, what we are seeing though is a lower low pattern. Okay, at the same time, we are having a higher low in the RSI. Look at that, this low, we are having a higher low. This means that we are having a bullish RSI divergence in the weekly scale, along with the fact that we are having a higher low in the commodity channel index as well. So the price keeps going down, but at the same time, the risk metrics are going to have higher lows. Stochastic RSI as well in an oversold, Fisher transform with a constant higher low pattern right here, and at the same time, the Williams are into a huge oversold situation. Everything is looking like EOS can go eventually a lot higher, right? We are going to go to the daily frame, and right here on the daily frame, we could be forming a bullish pennant, right? We could be forming a bullish pennant with a higher low pattern. Okay, I'm going with this bottom right here and the lower high right there, leading to a possible bullish pennant. Now we are at the bottom trend line, retesting it, and it seems like we are doing pretty good, right? Okay, for the time being though. However, if you want to be more certain with EOS, it is that we are going to have the exact targets right now, and I'm going to draw the trend-based Fibonacci extension from this bottom back to this top and back to this bottom. You can see that a major resistance level for EOS is sitting at 0.97. Now at 0.97, what we are going to have is, if we close above the 0.97, actually we can go to the 1.1 USDT and even to the 1.22, right? This is a very huge, nice profit target of around, the first target is 3.54, nothing special, going to 17%, going then to 30% profit target, right? This is indeed crazily good. However, in the daily frame, in the 4-hour frame, we got rejected from this line, right? But especially if we have a bullish pennant, we are going to go further up higher with EOS, and it is going to blast off insanely good. And 1.22 is not only the first price it can go. It can go to 1.345, followed by 1.563. So right now you can see that we can go all the way up here, retesting the 0.968, going to 1.1, retesting it, and then going to 1.22. And of course, you are going to see that with all these price targets, EOS is going to move even higher. So 0.97 is like our pivot point target. Closing above in the weekly frame, we are going to go all the way up to 1.1 USDT, 1.22, 1.23 34.5. Okay, so it is very possible that EOS can climb up all these targets. If you want to make sure and you do not want to invest right now, then 0.97 should be the case. Closing above in either weekly or daily frame, I will dare to say that even if we close in the daily frame, we'll be fine. Okay, then we can go to 1.1, but closing above with the daily frame, you increase a little bit more the risk, right? Closing above in the weekly frame, you minimize the risk a lot. So therefore, if you close above in the weekly frame right here, you have multiple chances into revisiting these targets. And of course, we will see if we can go even higher. If BTC can manage to pull it off, you can see Bitcoin chart right here. As we talked about, 17.4K was a huge resistance level. We got rejected and we want to see if BTC is capable of going higher or this is just more downtrend to come on. And of course, it won't help EOS as well and other altcoins, right? So eventually, EOS has a very huge potential to run up. However, minimizing the risk above the 0.97, it can be crazily good though, and it has the potential to move way up higher than it is already right now. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, or buy me a coffee. It is the same. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.